This is a boutique lightsaber, AEDDY lightsaber. Open up the box, nicely packaged, show you what's inside. You have an instruction guide by AEDDY. The 301 metal aluminum alloy lightsaber wrapped. A dedicated DIN cable and right angle and grub screws or bolts. And the plastic lightsaber. For the first time, take off the plastic wrapping, unwrap the USB-A cable, plug in to the charging port, and allow the red indicator to go out for a fully charged battery. For further information that can be found online, as well as the manual about the product, you may check it on out how to use it. You have a red logo, a buckle guide for your belt, your charging port, light indicator, your sound area, and where the light and the saber rod attaches to. Remember to peel off the protective film of the lightsaber. Remove the end cap, slide in the saber to the base, grab a grub bolt and Allen key located on the black handle, place on, tighten down so this way the saber. There are two to put on. This is the master logo, dark red decorative buckle, your on and off switches, the aviation metal aluminum, and you have your logo belt buckle. May the force be with you. 304 stainless steel, the speaker, and the on and off switch. Just simply press, twist, turn, pull, forward, swing, 16 different colors. We're on standby. Check online for further detail in the instruction manual how to operate the product. We're going to simply just demonstrate some of the things. This is a interesting sword. You can hear it speaks to you, does different things. Gives an idea what it looks like at night. Long press it. It shuts down. Wake it up by swinging and so forth.
Color switch.
Well, there's a lot you can do with this sword. And I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something you are looking for.